Hello and welcome to this Bioclipse screencast. Today I'll show you how to install and use the CYP450 protogeometrics model in Bioclipse 2.6. Bioclipse is a free and open source workbench for life sciences. The latest 2.6 version can be downloaded from bioclipse.net and the source code is available at github.com/bioclipse. When you have Bioclipse 2.6 up and running, go to Install DS Models to see the list of available decision support models. Scroll down the list to CYP450, select it and start the installation dialog. Click Next, accept the agreement and start the installation. At the end you need to restart Bioclipse. After the restart, go to Window Open Perspective Other and select the Decision Support perspective. The CYP450 model will then appear in the Decision Support view. Now it's time to open the chemical structure and make predictions with our model. For this example, I will take a SDF file from Bioclipse sample data. If I select a molecule and go to a single molecule tab, I can run the model and see the result directly. I can also create a new molecule from SMILES, for example. If I type or paste a SMILE string in this wizard, Bioclipse will create the structure for me, and then I can run the model. And finally, I can easily create a report which can be exported and saved as a PDF file on my computer. Thank you.